I'm going to be making a compote design. I prefer the chicken wire method, so that is what we're going to do. That is basically just going to hold your stems in place. To hold that in place, we are going to use white waterproof tape. I prefer white with this design because, as you can see, we've got a white container, so it is going to blend in. Just to secure that, I'm putting another small piece right across here. Same on the other side, and then I am going to go ahead and do another piece across here. We are going to fill our container up with our water and flower food. When you're trying to figure out, do I use foam? Do I use chicken wire for my container? Look at the depth of your container. If it is more shallow, you're going to want to use foam just because you don't have as much room to get water in there. And then at least your flowers can take up water through your foam. Okay, we're going to get started. I've got my lovely guide right here. If you book a consultation with FiftyFlowers, that is something we help you with. So our particular design here does not have any greenery other than what's going to be on our flowers themselves. It is a little bit more of just a clean design. So I want to go ahead and I'm going to tuck these hydrangeas nice and low into my container here to cover my mechanics. So my hydrangeas are just going to be the base of my design. I am going to put in my filler flower, my beautiful butterfly ranunculus. I'm actually gonna rest him on this hydrangea. So fun. I'm gonna come in with my line flower. So here's our delphinium. I like the top of this here. So I'm going to strip those off. Go right there. Something's really fragrant. Okay, so I've got 3 of those, and you notice I did kind of group them together on this one side here. Next, I'm going to go in with my carnations. Grouping your flowers is important too, because if I were to just go like this, and spread these out, then you get like a polka dot kind of effect happening. We have sweet pea going in here. That's totally what I was smelling. And then make sure when you are putting your flowers that you know that they are hitting the bottom of your container there too, so that you know that they are in water. These are candlelight roses. They're really pretty. Bury him down. Sometimes what I'll do too is even I've got these 4 here, and then just to carry your eye across, I'll pull him down here. Beautiful ranunculus. It's my gorgeous Oncidium orchids. Go back in and fill with this. Once you're finished with all your designs and then you get on site, I always have my bucket of all my extra stems, and then I'll kind of go through and maybe I'll decide, you know what, I actually want a little bit more butterfly ranunculus in this or whatever. At that point, I will sometimes go through and tweak things. All right, here she is.